Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy weekend to everybody. Today wetin I carry come get wetin I just see for online the thing dey shock me. One yahoo boy just dey talk say they say make he carry him mama come, because he not carry mama come they come make am dey craze. They don't even make Igbola even over big. I no understand though. And all these things, I not see they blame them, because the situation of Nigeria, e get as e be. Our president, they not they do anything, nothing, no source of income. So everywhere na yahoo yahoo. Because if e be say really say something they happen, maybe help dey for that Nigeria. I'm not sure say all these bad things e go full everywhere. I really happy for the boy, because the boy say he no carry him mama, say he no fit sacrifice him mama for ritual. So na him make am dey craze. So I really no be everybody go do this one. You get everybody, you get some people when say their eye big for money matter, they no care who they want sacrifice. I don't understand though. I know besides they blame the boy. Now where those boys when they do yahoo, but now where to survive? Now everybody dey. But the one when you can't go enter another place, when you be say you can't sacrifice people, that one not good at all. So if you be yahoo boy outside there, when you be say they say make you sacrifice your anybody, no do am, because that is not the best way, because those kind of money no dey last. E no dey last, and e no dey come out well. So now wetin I say make I carry come, my people, abeg, if you be yahoo boy wey dey out there, say they say make you bring anybody for your family, or you go dey meet native doctor, no do am. You no need am. No need am. If God won't bless you, God will still bless you, my brother. I really thank God for this boy now when he take make this decision. I beg, I go leave when I'm gonna watch the video. I beg, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, I beg gonna subscribe and press the notification bell, so that anytime I upload video, you'll be notified. If you are subscribed before, thank you and God bless you, my people. Say I beg, make gonna watch the video.
Camry. Bros. You say you get 2 what?
I get 2 Camry. I get fine girls. I get iPhone 12 Pro Max.
Are you a student?
Are you a student?
I'm still working soon. I'm producing next month. Sorry, next year.
Check. What department?
But Yahoo. Economic.
Wait, who are the people that say you should bring your mother?
The VIP boys. VIP Avalon boys. They asked me to be my precious mom, which I said no.
No, you refuse.
They make my big dick.
Mercy, how?
Okay, give me money.
How they make your big dick?
I'm hungry. I want to chop better food. I go die. I beg.
Now they beat you like this. Who beat you? Who did this thing to you?
I go collect food for person hand. If he say I be thief, he beat me. I tell him say I no be thief, I dey hungry. But he beat me. He beat me.
Where you won't go eat now? Where you won't go chop now?
I feel bad person, give them money. If I show in Nigeria we are wicked. If you don't give them money, they will not give you food, even though you're mad. So I need food. Okay? Tell your friends, your neighbors, your children when I stay away from Yahoo. Yahoo is not good. Yahoo, I pick 10 million, 5 million, 6 million. I flex, I go Abuja, I chop, I go Cameroon, I go Benin Republic, I fuck. But today, I'm mad.
What's your name? What is your name?
Success.
Where are you from, Success?
I'm from Abia State.
Where in Abia State are you from?
Why are you asking me, man?
Okay, give
out, man.
Give him the money. Take. It's me. I'm giving from my heart here.
Use it to eat.
Just manage it here, please. Don't worry, you get well.
I praise
you. Will.
Praise for me.
But your mom she's still alive.
Yeah, I don't want to give my mom.
Thank God.
I can never give my mom.
Go to look for a church. Stay in
Okay, you know what you do? You go to a church,
Alright.
Look for a church, a strong